Kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids cards name blue color, red color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids, first you draw A. A for apple, A for airplane, and use blue color. Blue color, the alphabets of A. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat, the alphabets of B. C. C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C. Kids, again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D. E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E. Kids, again use blue color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan, G. G for goat, G for grapes, H. H for hand, H for helicopter, the alphabets of H. Kids, again use blue color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream, the alphabets of I. Kids, neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, the alphabets of J. And use red color, red color. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, again use red color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, again use red color and draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids, again use red color and draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quill, the alphabets of Q. Kids, neither R. R for rose, R for rice, the alphabets of R. And use yellow color, yellow color. S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids, again use yellow color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids, again use yellow color and draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. W. W for wallet, W for watch. Kids, again use yellow color and draw X. X for X-ray, X for telephone. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. The last alphabets of Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids, neither numbers. And first draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use black color O N E 1 2 T W O 2 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4. Kids, again use black color and draw 5 F I VE5 6 S I X 6. 7 S E V E N 7. Kids again use black color and draw 8. E I G H T 8. 9 N I N E 9. Kids again use black color and illustrator 10. T E and 10. The numbers of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.